Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm about to grow about 50 yellow squash in 20 feet. Yeah, 50 yellow squash. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter and it grows your squash for you. You don't have to grow your squash anymore. And so, like about a month ago, actually less than a month, like 2 weeks ago, we harvested 100 cucumbers from these same planters. And then we also harvested 300 carrots from these same planters. See, torpedo pots, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter. You never water, you never feed, you only supplement. And you'll have food like you've never seen before. And it's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? That's beautiful. The only thing you'll have to do if you need to is pollinate. But you'll have so many flowers and so much life in this planter to go on. You have nothing to worry about. We got you. We got your food worked out perfectly. You see the wind blew these ones over here, so I'm going to turn them back. Hopefully they can do what they need to do. But this is the beauty of the torpedo pot. It grows your food for you. And so when I say we're going to grow 25 to 50 yellow squash, you best believe we're going to grow between 25 and 50 yellow squash. If we're up to us, we grow a lot more. All right, so I don't have to turn the ground over like you do. I don't have to sell my soul to seeds that don't work. All I do is put them in this planter. Look how big they are. Oh my gosh, they're so huge. I don't never water. You see the self-watering? It's watering by itself. You see that? Torpedo pot does that for you. All of these are on their timer, and they grow food for me around the clock. I never have to worry about food again in my life.